Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. We have today a Isle of Man set of coins. They're 4 coins and they're to do with women's suffrage. They're all to do with, they were 4 people who were the first 4 women to vote in the Isle of Man elections. They all registered to vote, and what these coins represent on all of them, if we just take a look on the back there, we have the JC Portrait 2021. I'm not sure if it's JC or an IRB portrait. The coins are from 2021. They took forever to arrive, if I remember correctly. I ordered them in the October, I think it was, and they didn't arrive until the January. They kept on being delayed. The only reason I kept the order going was the fact that I knew that they were a limited edition. There was not an open-ended market on these blue carded coins. They were limited to a certain number of sets. A certain number of sets, I think it's 1,000 maybe, or maybe a bit more, maybe slightly more, maybe 1,500. But they represent 4 ladies, and they were the first 4 ladies to vote in the I think it was the 1863 parliamentary elections for the Isle of Man Parliament. The 4 ladies concerned was this one here. They all are depicting the same thing. You have the £2 in the 2/3 circle at the bottom. You have, going around the outside, you have like a laurel leaf, and then you have a hand holding a pen of some description. I think it might be one of those feathered type pens, and then a facsimile signature. I don't think these are the original signatures of the ladies concerned, but this is the first one, and this one is Catherine Callow, who is the first. Now, I believe Esther Key, which is the last one that I'm going to show you, was actually, I think, 3rd person in her area, but the first lady in her area. The second lady here is, it says Kelvin Margaret, but it's actually a lady called Margaret Kelvin. She, for some reason, put her family name or surname first. Now, I believe this is how they appear in the register, but as I say, I think this is just a facsimile signature to represent the lady concerned, and not necessarily the signature of the lady. The 3rd coin, again, same description, same outlay as all the others, is Eliza Jane Goldsmith. And that's her facsimile signature across there. One of the reasons why I believe it is a facsimile and not a actual direct copy from the register is the fact that the others, there's no other names on there, and it's just straight lines. So that's why I believe it's a facsimile signature. And so that's Eliza Jane Goldsmith. And finally, the last one of the 4 in the set is Esther Key. Let's just take that down a little bit, is Esther Key. As I say, they all look exactly the same. They all have the same hand and the writing implements in the hand, and then the facsimile signature on what looks like a ledger. It's not very insightful in the fact that you can't necessarily see what the ladies look like. You can't differentiate, apart from the fact that it says 4 different names on the item, and there's the 4 coins together. So what do you think? The reason why I got this was I was interested in the suffragette movement as a historical, from a historical angle. I have done in the recent past a video on the suffragettes and suffragette coinage and such like, and this was, if I'd have got these in time, they'd have gone in that series. However, I didn't. Am I glad to have this set? When I saw it advertised, I wanted it for the historical meaning of the coins, and looking back on them now, they are very much of a muchness. Are they worth the money I paid for them? I don't know. I think I probably paid the top end of them, because I paid what the Westminster coin wanted. Would they fetch the same money now? I don't know. I think they're hovering around what I paid for them originally. So they haven't made any money, even though they are a limited set, production wise. What do you think of them? I've got a feeling that these have the same effect on me as the Manchester 2000 Commonwealth Games £2 coins did. They're exactly the same, and the only difference with those ones was the flag of the home nation. With these, the only difference is the facsimile signature that's on them. The coins are exactly the same otherwise. I don't particularly like these sort of sets where they're producing 4 coins and getting you to pay for a 4 coin set, you know, when maybe 2 coins would have done. There's no reason why you couldn't have put 2 people on the same coin, 2 people's signature on the same coin. There is no reason why they could have just maybe even had 1 coin with 4 silhouetted portraits of them with their names underneath them, saying that these were the first 4 ladies. Why did they need to produce a 4 coin set? I'm not sure. I think they could have been designed better. If they would have been slightly different in their designs, I may appreciate them more than I actually do at the moment. I do feel a little bit taken in, so to speak, in the fact that the 4 designs are exactly the same and the only difference is the signature. But I bought them knowing that they're a limited number set. As I say, I don't think they're actually worth any more than I paid for them. So, as I said, I'm a little disappointed, but I enjoy the set from a historical point of view, so I'm a bit torn in that respect. If you've enjoyed this review, please give me a thumbs up. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please think about doing so. I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, collectibles and war memorabilia, or militaria should I say, is probably a better word for it. So if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins like I've done here, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too long in the distant future, from me, ta-ra now, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.